If you want to remove people from photos on a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, then first of all we need to open the gallery on our phone. In here, choose the photo that you wish to edit, and then you can use either the Galaxy AI icon that we have in here, or if you go to editing first, then you can find exactly the same option here on the left side. Now we should have the AI eraser selected, so what you can do usually is you can tap, for example, on the person that you want to get rid of, and tap on erase, and then wait for the result. After a couple of seconds, the selected person that was highlighted should be removed. There we go. We can of course keep editing. In my case, I have more people that I want to remove from my photo. We can also draw a shape around them, and hopefully they are going to be highlighted correctly, and then we can tap on erase. You may notice that there is this head that was not selected, but there is a chance that the AI will pick it up and remove it anyway. So let's see if that is going to be the case. Unfortunately, no another person was added in here, but we can still keep editing, and of course we can select the person as well. There we go. Can we select multiple people? I guess yes. So instead of just erasing one by one, we can also just select every person in here. We can keep highlighting and selecting everything that we want to get rid of pretty easily. Once we select everything, I'm going to also select this trash that we have over here, because why not? Can I actually select it? Yes. And there is also like a bit of something in here. And we can now tap on erase. Once we select everything, we can tap on erase. Let's wait for the result. And there we go. Now we can, of course, see how it looks like before and after. And let's say now we are done. We can save the copy. You can of course increase the resolution sometimes if it's possible. Your phone will suggest you to do so. So I'm gonna actually increase it, and there we go. We have before and after. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.